State objective. State objective must be expressed, must be formed specifically. Okay, the three reason. Okay, the finish on that. State terms what the students will be able to do. Okay, state the terms. So there's the use of verbs. Okay, kata kerja. Okay, what the students will be able to do. Okay, what you can do, what you need to do, okay, to achieve the learning objective. Okay, for examples like in the end of this course, the student should be able to explain, to demonstrate. Okay, as you can see, can after two verbs, to demonstrate, to understand, to analyze, to determine, okay, to elaborate, okay, to explain. So includes condition. So in objective, there is like ingredients. You need to put the condition where you will be tested. Okay, condition setting, learning setting. Okay, you will be there's like a place for you to demonstrate, to show, okay, that there's a place. Okay, okay, you need to do something, right? So in order to do something, there's a place provided for you to do something. Okay, ada degree of acceptable performance. So level of mastery. If you can achieve this degree, if you can go from beginner up to advanced, so there are things that you have to achieve. Okay, before you then it will allow you to move from one level to another level. Okay, so of course if you want to go to the advanced level, you have to start with beginners. So degree different degree dia. Alright, the objective may be derived. This objective you can found it, okay, from apa sources as well, okay, where it provide you with learning objective. Alright, the objective may be derived. You can get this objective from, okay, a needs assessment, and daripada assessment, okay, the things, okay, in your assignment. Okay, for example, in the end, okay, after you do this assignment, what are skills that you will learn, what lessons that you will get. So it can be developed. So this objective also can be developed by the instructor themselves. Maybe by the okay, I can create objective for this chapter, okay, today. So chapter 5, at the end of this chapter 5, the student should be able to do what. First, the numbers of objective will be derived. They derive lah. Okay, it can be 3, it can be 5. Ingredients. These are the ingredients when in writing, okay, well informed objective for learning. All right, the first is audience. So in the objective, you have to mention, okay, who is the one who going to achieve the objective. So you have to mention clearly the audience. For example, in the end of this course, diploma diploma semester 3 student will should be able to, so macam tu. Who are your students? That's why who will need to do something in order to achieve the objective. So you have to mention behavior to demonstrate. Okay, so tadi saya katakan mentionkan to apa. So the student should be able to apa? To understand, to analyze, to determine, to discuss, okay, to elaborate, to demonstrate. Then you need to do something. So that something is a behavior. Okay, what behavior that you need to show? Okay, that you need to do. Okay, what action that you need to do will be taken, okay, as ingredients into writing an objective. All right. Next is condition. Condition under which the behavior will be observed. The scope dia, scope topic dia. Okay. Dia macam, okay, in the end of this course, the student should be able to explain the concept. Lepas tu kan, the concept of information management. The concept of information management itulah condition. Subject, the student should be able to use software to create citation, for example. So that bibliographic software itulah condition. In the end, in the end of this IMT 211, the student should be able to apply a sure model in producing condition under which the behavior will be observed. To make effective learning objective is degree, level of mastery. Degree to which the learned skills are to be mastered. To be the level of competency. You punya 15 or 13 states in Malaysia. That is the condition. Focus kita, our scope, limitation kita, only states in Malaysia. Alright, so next is classification of objective. But this objective can be categorized. Classifying or categorizations of objective is to help on the selection. Why it is important for us to put objective into category? Because kalau kita put objective into category, it will help us to choose the methods and the media in order to select the most appropriate, the most effective, the best tools to be used in evaluating the students' performance. Macam tu. Alright. So when we can put this objective into category, so when the objective is already in the category, so then we know. Classify, maybe categorized as the primary types of learning. Primary, dia utama, dia major. Types of learning. Domain of objective is cognitive. The second is affective. The third is motor skill, or also known as psychomotor / psychomotor. Alright, and the last one is interpersonal. So kami, CAMI. And first tadi cognitive, more to mental lah, mental processing. Affective, motor skill, or also known as psychomotor, and the last one is interpersonal. Alright, affective domain, motor skill domain, interpersonal domain. So depends dengan the nature of subject.